Hello guys and welcome to the 8th video of the Blackjack tutorial using Java. There's been more than 2 weeks since I recorded the last tutorial, so please forgive me in case I get stuck in or get lost in any point, okay? But what I do remember is that I promise you that we are going to draw the shape of each card on the card. Okay, spades, hearts, diamonds, and what's the last one? I'm always forgetting some. Okay, clubs. Yeah. Okay, so let's go down here. Here is where we are painting our number or letter. So let's go down here and make some if statements. So if the card symbol is that equals, in our case, spades, then I want you to go ahead and draw what? Okay, so the spade symbol is something like color oh come on, this has to be black. Is something like, let's say, come on, and one more. Okay, something like that. I failed, but I just want to give you the idea. Okay, so what we are going to do, so let's change it back to white. In order to draw that is draw one circle here. Let's hit shift to make it perfectly round. Another circle here. Okay, then we are going to draw how's it called? Yeah, an arc. But what is an arc? Let me explain you. We've got a circle here or an oval. Doesn't matter if it's a normal circle or an oval. Okay, so but let's make it round. Okay, what an arc is we take just a piece of the circle and draw it. Okay, so for example, oh come on, not black. For example, this piece. Okay, and so we're going to take a piece like that and paste it up here. How are we going to do that? Here is going to be the middle of our circle right here. Okay, and let me pick up grass now, and it's going to go like this. Okay, imagine this is the circle and this is the part of the circle. What we could also do in order to paint the spade symbol is create a polygon, but this would require more variables or arrays, and we do not want to mess with that. For this we just need the coordinates and the dimensions of the circle and one number for 1 degree number for where to begin and another degree number for the size of the arc. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is add a rectangle just like that. Make it white rectangle just like, come on. Okay, just like that, and it's going to look like, well, not like this. We're going to make it much better. I was just using paint in order to show you what it's gonna look like. So back to coding. So let's run this right here. For example, let's say that this king is uh, this king type is spades. So uh, we are going to have to draw a circle here, another one here, and blah blah blah, all that stuff. But um, before we do that, we have to change the color to black, because all spades cards are uh, black. Okay, are white with black. Uh, yeah, you understood what I meant. So let's move on and create our first circle, and it's going to be an oval. So g dot fill oval, and for the x we want the grid x plus the index multiplied by the card total width plus the card spacing and what this is going to give us is or actually not yeah, the card spacing as well, or maybe not. No, we do not want the card spacing. Okay, what this right here is going to give us is the exposition of the left side of our card. Okay, now what we want to do is, okay, let's make this one first and I will move on and explain. So grid y plus card add something, no, we do not need that. Okay, grid y and width and height. Okay, so this position right here is the top left corner of our card. So since we want our oval to be in the middle of our card, or yeah, about in the middle, what we have to do is increase it by the card height. But how have we saved it? Card a no, card actual height. Yeah, where are we? Card actual height divided by 2 and decreased by half the height of our oval. Let's say our oval is going to be 50, so 25, so 50 by 50. Okay, and we also want to increase that by, let's say, 30 and see where our oval is. But we need spades type, no spades yet. We need spades. Come on, Java, give us spades. No spades yet. Is this serious? Spades? Okay, but it's for the dealer. Come on, I do not want to change my code to only give spades. Okay, we got some spades, but I do not see my oval. Why is that happening? Okay, the symbol is spades. Yep, spades. What exactly is the problem then? Okay, it's the color. This should be, yeah, total width plus 30. Okay, let's remove the 30 for now. Okay, we're gonna need some spades, please, for us. Please, we're going to need spades. Come on, run. Okay, we got spades, but I still do not see it. Why can't I see it? Got spades, yeah. This is weird. Okay, let's go ahead and paint it on any card, no matter what. Okay, and here is our symbol. Okay, so let's delete that, and what I just saw was that we have to increase it by the card spacing, or not. We have to just increase it by, let's say, yeah, 30 was good, but 50 is too much. Let's try 20 for now. So this is going to be 10, and let's copy that. What did I forget? Oh, yeah, 20, not 520. Yeah, this as well. So this should go a little to the bottom, so let's say let's not decrease it. Okay, it needs to get a little bigger, so let's delete that. Try it here and copy it later. Why didn't I think of it earlier? Okay, so it needs to go more to the right. Let's make that 40. Okay, I think, yeah, here is okay, but let's make that 30. Okay, let's see. Yep, this is just great. Okay, now we're going to copy that, and let's see, it's total width plus 40. Let's add 30 and see how it looks. So this is not in the middle. Okay. What we need actually is just, sorry guys, I told you I was gonna be a little lost. So the total width is the grid divided by 6. The grid is 900, so this is 900 divided by 6, 150. So total width 150. Okay, we got 150. Okay, so now that we know that our width is 150, we can use the right numbers. So let's go ahead and make that 40 and that as well. So it's let me open Paint real quick. So uh, here is our card. Okay. This up here is 150. Okay, and this over here should be, what should it be? 200. Okay, so this is 200. So okay, this is the first circle and this is the second one. Okay, so this is going to be 40. This is also going to be 40, and this in here is going to be 10. Okay, so the total of the two circles is going to be 40 plus 40 minus 10, so it's going to be 70. Okay, come on, this right here is 70, this is 40, and this in here is 10. Okay, so what is if we decrease 150 by 70, we get 80. So what we're going to do is increase this by the half, by 80 divided by 2, which is 40, which we already have. So what we need to do here is increase it by 40 and then another 30, because this is going to start with an x position increased by 40 and decreased by 10, so increased by 30. So it's going to be 40 plus 30, so let's make that plus 70, and this is going to be 40 by 40 as well. So this should look just fine. Yeah. This is great. And the card, so the card axle height is, yeah, whatever. This was 200, so let's say this is 200, this is 40. Okay, this right here is 40, this is 200. 160 divided by 2, 80. Okay, so this is going to be 80 in order for that to be in the middle. But do we want it exactly in the middle? No, we want it lower, so let's make that 90. Okay, this should be, no, 80 was better. Actually, let's make that 85. Sorry guys for taking too long. It's already been 18 minutes in this video, so I'm going to finish this shape and make separate videos for each other shape. Okay, so let's move on and, like we said, create our our arc. So we are here and we want to create a very big circle here. Okay, let's delete that immediately. That was awful. So the circle is gonna be about here, and we're going to use this part right here. Okay, in here. So this but so the circle's dimensions are going to be, let's say, if we want it to be here, the circle is going to be about here. So our oval is going to have to start at about, let's say, that this is, if it's 150, let's say that this is about 30 and that this is about hmm, let's say 30 as well, and this is the middle, so this is so it's going to be 70 by 70, but if this is 30, this is going to be 90, so this should be, yeah, 90 by 70. This is a 0, guys, don't be fooled. Okay, so 90 by 70. These are our oval's dimensions. So let's go ahead and say d dot fill arc, and this is going to be grid x plus index multiplied by card total width increased by 30. Then this is going to be grid y increased by how much did we say? 30. Yeah, okay, 30. This is going to be, how much did we say? 90 by 70. Oh, come on. And so what we need now is a start angle, which is actually in a circle. Okay. So, this is 0. This is 90. This is 180. This is 270. And since this is 270 and we want it to be about here, something tells me that it's going to be about 230 or 235. Okay. So let's say 230 for now, and since it's going to be 230, and now we want the length, or not the length actually, the degrees of the arc. If this is 230, 50 from here and another 50 from here, 100, so this is going to be 80. So let's run this and see how it looks. Not so bad. Actually, this is kinda good, guys. I like it, but let's move it a little up to the top. Now it's out. Come on. So 29. Or 28. Let's try 28, guys. I got a feeling that 28 is going to be perfect. Yep, 28 is perfect. And what is left to do is fill a rectangle. Okay, let's go back to paint. Okay, this is messed up, and I also do not like this. Not like that shape. Okay, so Yeah. So let's cover this up and move on. So we got this, we got this, we also got um, this. Okay, and what we want now is this, a rectangle like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and paint our rectangle. So g dot fill rect, so it is grid x increased by index multiplied by card total width, and the total width is 150. If its width is going to be 10, let's say 140 divided by 270. So grid y, and I don't know what number we should put here. Let's put 90. Okay, this 10, and let's put 30 here and see what we get, and we can change it later. We get nothing. What the? Okay. So let's make that 70 and see if we see. Oh, too long, too long. 40. Okay, too small. And 50 should be just fine. So here we are, guys. We got a perfect spades icon. Do not freaking tell me it's not perfect. It really is. How awesome am I? But I have to apologize because this one took 27 minutes, and you might wonder, why don't we just use ready cards or ready images and put and place them on up here on the card? Um, the reason is, guys, because in case we run, in case we want to give our program to friends or whoever you want, anyway, uh, what he's gonna have to do is carry all the required images along with the executable file in order for the program to run. uh, this right here does not require anything. Okay, and this is why we work a little harder, 28 minutes instead of, let's say, 8, uh, for the user to double click and play without having to carry uh, the required files. So I'm gonna do 3 more videos for the hearts, the, how are they freaking called? Yeah, the hearts, the diamonds, and the clubs, and then we're going to move to some more interesting stuff. Okay, so thank you guys really much for watching, and see you in the next video.